Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to delete your Squarespace account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and you own on your Squarespace account. As you can see, we currently have only one website and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. But guys, anyways, you will not have to go to your website to delete your account. All you have to do to delete your account is do the following. You want to go into the upper right corner right here next to your profile picture and you want to click account settings. So guys, go ahead and click on account settings right here and now you'll be opening up this window where you'll be able to edit your account. And to delete your account guys, all you have to do is go ahead into the second option right here called account and security. And now guys, as you can see on the very last bottom of the page is called the delete account. And if you're sure you want to do this and you have confirmed that you want to delete your account, then all you have to do is click on delete your account. And here you will be able to click to enter your password so that you will be able to delete your account. After entering your password guys, just click continue. It will confirm that you want to delete your account. Just confirm, and after that you will have successfully deleted your account. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.